Good morning, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Wednesday, April 4th, 2018, 4/4/18. April 4th, 2018. We are about 20 minutes outside of the inventory report right now. Currently 18 minutes, I guess, now. We are trading in between S2 and S3. Obviously on the downside, if you can't figure that part out. So we're definitely well below pivot. Pivot today is located at 63.43. And S1, if it does make a move up, is 6,300. Now I'm showing pivot at 61.43. I like my calcs better than the spreadsheet, than what's showing on here, which they're showing S3 at 6,200 today, it looks like. Just barely read it, but it says 6,200. So 61.43 is the calculation that I get, and I've checked the math before, and I so I don't know. I mean, am I right? Are they right? I've checked my math many times over and over again. I like the calculations I use for S3 over what I see at CTS, the T4 platform, but I do recognize that I could be wrong as well. So we are processing in between here, or trading in between S2 to S3, probably be trading between S1 through S2 after the release of the report. So we will see how that shakes up the markets here in the next few minutes. That's about it. That's all I want to talk about at this point. We're just waiting to figure out what exactly is going on. Alrighty. Let's see. We're about 2 minutes outside of the release. You'll know when it's out because the bar will go wackadoodle. There's a Western Pennsylvania term for you. Wackadoodle. That's kind of like cattywampus. Same difference. Kid, I joke. Anyway, long story short, we are trading down to the 50% line that I was talking about yesterday. We went through that, and then we traded down to the 61.8% line, and our next target to this extension is down here at roughly at the 6100 level. 6115 is what it's showing. So if the market wants to fall, that's the next fall perhaps that we could see. Now if it wants to go up, we probably head up to S1 up here to 6,300. So we'll see how that market, and that looks about 50% too. Let's measure it real quick while we're here. Better safe than sorry, right? All right, looks like the report's out. You can always tell when the report's out, right? This is a line I drew in the sand earlier. That's the high volume bar based upon where the first bars started coming out early. Highest volume bar being give me a second, I'm trying to find a spot to get it here. Looking at 55 right now, 57. Waiting for the 31 to print here. There it is. $66 to short for now. I've got a volume bar in between here. Excuse me, I got a line where the market could retrace back to. This is based upon highest volume bar that came on the charts early. Highest volume bar being red at 3:02 a.m. Two-thirds today is 11.9. It's 12. We're looking at that 61.15 right now. $61.15 plus 5 is $61.25. All right, so 62.66 to short. Initial target to the down is 44 if it goes. 3P profit target is 6,200. All right, we're only going to take a 10 tick hit now for wrong. I think we have some upside pressure probably up to the 6,300 level. Trying to conserve my capital as best I can here. If it doesn't want to fall here. Initial 1P target is 44, 62.44 if we can get it. That'll take us back down to the S2 line. So we're trading in between S1 and S2 now. That's 1P down right there. 3P puts it at 6,200 even. We're going to call it 6201 for 3P today. And in between the two is 6222. And I'm looking for that extension to 6115. So I'm looking for this extension to run down to here, the 100% line. Obviously we'll take a lot less than that, but we're going to move to 6122 is 270 degrees. 6135. All right, so we're going to move to 6135. Okay, that's a 1p move right there and through. Go ahead and make our move to break even here. Let's get rid of this. Let's do this. Oh man, look at that sucker come back. Once again, a 2p move is 62.22. $58 plus 5 is 63. Blue line plus 5 ticks, 63. Might be too close to the market, but I don't want to take a loss on a move that moved down to 28. Hopefully that's all she wrote to the retracement there. And we'll go bust this low here at 62.28. Get down to 62.06 is lowest session. So this is the do or die here for the up people are trying to hold the 62.28 line, and the down's trying to drive it through it to get through the low. Go ahead and lock in 5 ticks now. Use 56 plus 5 ticks. Fighting at the S2 line. Hopefully we can break through. Go revisit the low at 62.06. Obviously in our most dangerous part of our trade right here. If you don't know that, this is This is the we're trading in kind of in no man's land. If we can't break through this low here at 28, the odds of us heading up and knocking us out are get greater and greater the longer it takes to get there. We'll go ahead and lock in 2 more. So I'm looking for another 100 ticks below where we are right now. I believe we have the power to get there with the extension that's showing on the charts today. Obviously, if we don't reach there, then that's fine too, but hopefully we can get some profit along the way. Busted through by 1 tick only there. Hopefully we can shoot this. A lot of times they like to push the market up so it can come back down, but let's not recognize that they're trying to form a Gann signal here, trying to stop this downward pressure. You can consider this almost as like a double bottom on the 2 right here. Now it comes down to, are we right? Do we get stopped out? $53 plus 5 is $58. I don't want to be on the 8. We'll stay on the 9. Doesn't look like it wants to play ball right now. Damn it. All right, hold on. Pause. Fought it off right now, didn't it? So let's go back and look here. This is what sent the market to stop right here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and that really doesn't count. So looking back here, highest volume bar is 2222, believe it or not, 2222, coming in at 930. And so we've got a difference of 512 between high and low. I think we still got some upside pressure here. Haven't seen capitulation volume here on the blue side yet. That's where they wanted to drive it, right? Let's take a shot. All right, S2 up there. S1's at 6,300. Well, that's a nice up move, right? All right, I'm seeing a bunch of blue here. Right smack dab in the middle of all this. 81 to short. All right, didn't work out there. $93 to short. Looking at all this right here. All right, 62.93, a 3P target 62.27. We're still going to look for that 61.35. I still believe in it. I'm going to come off of that though to 61.61 if we can get it. $62.93. We need 71 for a 1P target right now. a matter of being too close or not too close, but I think we hit 62.99 now. We're gonna go up. So I'd just rather take a less of a loss right now. Then we'll check our profit target, 61.61. Where does that put us in here? So be a 6p move. We're going to go to 61.63. Sometimes the market's got to go up to be able to have enough power to go down and go down hard. So that's what I'm looking for still. Of course, I didn't see that coming. Fake out. That's the last little oomph of a fake out, or is it going to cause more of a loss for me? A lot of fighting going on right here. If we can get a 3P target 62.27, let's mark that on the charts so we can at least see it. While we're waiting in limbo land here. 71.49. Us hanging out here is not too good. Need to break this 77 soon. Give up the ghost now. Let's go. I'm kind of looking at this 15-minute mark here. We're close to the 200 bar here on the 15-minute chart. 62.27. See us closing in on pivot. One half hour is 9 ticks. That's what I'm going with now. $63.02. We need $62.80. You know, it's exhausted a lot of steam there. Oh well. It's closing in on the 200 bar here on the 15-minute chart now. I'm waiting for one more push up here to see what happens up there at that 63.18 line, going up here to the pivot. I think we got one more push up left in this market. Well, I don't want to be tricked on that. Use the 6302 line. Damn it. The fuck was that? There's that last one I was looking for. Damn it. What the hell happened there? Shit. I can't afford to make any more trades with this market. I'm going to have to call it a day at minus 38 and call it a loser day. I missed it. I obviously didn't see this coming, and I had a 9-tick stop or 10, and I had 5 ticks more slippage on there, and it ran me out at 38. And it should have been 24, should have been at 34, and it ran me out an extra 4 or 5 ticks on that, on the slippage right there, and I got knocked out. This is what sucks about having the $500 loss limit sometimes, is that you run into it and you're not able to trade into it. I don't want to trade again because then I can lose my funded account. And why lose my funded account on a trading day that isn't working the way I think it should be working? I still think that we're not, that this is smoke and mirrors on the upside and that we've got some down to come. But I just don't. Oh, there it is now. Are you kidding me? You mean you couldn't do that earlier? But look at this coming right back though. It's a lot of manipulation going on today, guys. That's making it really difficult to trade this. Really easy to lose your account today. I'm calling it. I'm done. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm going to stay down minus 38. Looks like I'm going to finish I'll be better than this by a couple bucks, but I don't want to lose any more money today. So what does that say? 397.58. I'll probably be around 395 after the smoke clears. So that's it. I'm done. God bless. Take care. See you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.